Hi computer scientists, Mr. Stafford here, and today I'm going to be showing you Unit 2, Lesson 5, Manipulating Variables and Object Data. This is the third level. The first level, you had an activity guide that you would work along with and answer questions on it. But with level number 3, it says that yesterday's cookies are $1 off, and help Project Mercury Pastry Food Truck by doing the following. Number 1, it says correct the price of yesterday's cookies by decreasing it by 1. So we're going to change the price of yesterday's cookies, and I'm seeing on line 3 that they have the amount of yesterday's cookies is 14, and that the price of yesterday's cookie, so the cookie price, was $2.15. There's a number of different ways in this lesson that they've shown you how to do this. One way is you could take cookie price and set it equal to what cookie price was, subtract it by 1, okay? And there's another way to do this where we can use a compound operator of minus equals 1, which is another possible way to do it. But my favorite way is to decrement. If I'm just going to be subtracting 1, I would do cookie price minus minus. Okay? The second thing that we're supposed to do is create a string called description that says yesterday's cookie cost, $, plus price plus each. So I'm going to create a string, call it description, and set it equal to, and we can even copy and paste this. One thing that might be an issue though is that we are concatenating, so I've got yesterday's cookie cost $, and then we're concatenating this variable called price. Now, if this is the same instructions that you have, just know that we don't have a variable called price. We have cookie price though. So it needs to be cookie price, and so I'm going to copy that and paste it in for price. Okay. And then on step, and don't forget to put your semicolon. And then on step 3, it says determine the total price of all yesterday's cookies and store the result in a variable called income. So if I'm going to determine the total price, what I need to do is take my cookie price and multiply it by the number of yesterday's cookies. And that's going to give me a double data type. So I'm going to say double. They asked me to call it income. Is going to be equal to, and I'm going to take cookie price, paste it there, and multiply it by yesterday cookies. Copy that and paste it. Okay. And I'll run this just to make sure that I have it going okay. And it says yesterday's cookies cost $1.15 each, which is what I wanted. So that is getting, I'm printing out the description. I created the string description on line 10, and I'm printing it on line 17. Okay. I see that the cost is $1.15, which is less than, $1 less than where we originally created cookie price on line 4 for $2.15. But remember on line 7 we decremented it by going cookie price minus minus. So 215 minus 1 is 115, so we're good there. And then on line instruction number 4, it says print the value of income. So I'm actually going to copy and paste that system.out.println. And instead of printing the description again, I'm going to print the value of income. Run that. And we have yesterday's cookies cost $1.15 each, and printing out the income gives us the 16.099999, and it follows up with the last value of 8.